A rotary hammer drill is definitely a specialized tool. It is a powerful and effective device if you're looking to buy a powered hammer for using in construction related work. Rotary hammer drills come in different sizes and shapes, and they also have different features. The main three features to consider when buying a rotary hammer drill are the power type, the power rating, and the impact speed. In terms of power type, they are either corded or battery operated. Power rating ranges from 8 amperes to 12 amperes for corded and 18 to 20 volts for battery operated. The higher the power rating, the better its performance. The impact speed tells you how fast the hammer is going to strike, and the more the blows per minute, the more powerful it will be. So an impact speed of 8,000 blows per minute will work much faster than a rotary hammer with impact speed of 4,000 blows per minute. In this video, you will find the top 5 rotary hammer drills in India. Bosch is one of the foremost brands in tools, and in our list there are no less than 3 rotary hammer drills by Bosch. But the top spot is taken by a completely different brand, primarily because of affordability and value for money. Go ahead and have a look at these popular and best-selling rotary hammer drills.